Hey guys, welcome to today's video and thank you so much for stopping by. So it's officially fall, and during fall we generally go a bit heavy with our makeup, right? And for that we need good lipsticks. And in today's video I'm going to share with you my top 5 recommendations for lipsticks during this fall. And during fall we generally gravitate towards some vampy, grungy kind of lipsticks. So these lipsticks are going to be your best friend during this fall and winter. These are so good and these are so like fall-like or winter-like lipsticks. These lipsticks are great. So if you want to know my recommendations for lipsticks for this fall, then please keep on watching. I am starting with the affordable ones first. My first recommendation for a beautiful fall lipstick is this Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Molten Chocolate Cake. This is such a stunning color. It is like a brown or with a hint of red in it. It is so stunning and I love the formula of these lipsticks. They are not super duper drying on my lips and they are extremely long lasting, and this color is perfect during this fall. This is like this is a perfect shade for every skin tone. So if you are looking for a budget friendly fall lipstick, then definitely give it a shot. This lipstick is stunning. Next I have here another really like vampy fall lipstick, and this is the Colourpop Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pearl Next Door right here. This is again a very like rich dark burgundy kind of a color, and you know the formula of these lipsticks, the formula is a bit drying, but you need to apply a heavy lip balm underneath, or you can wear a lip gloss on top of this lipstick and it will be good to go. These are really long lasting, and the color, oh my god, the color is to die for. Like, look at this. This is going to be your best friend for any party during this fall. This color is everything, so I highly recommend this particular lipstick, this particular shade during this fall. Next I have here another drugstore liquid lipstick which is going to be perfect for this fall, and I am talking about this Superstep Matting Lipstick, and this is in the shade Voyager. This is again a perfect vampy like burgundish brownish kind of a color, and it is perfect for every skin tone. For lighter skin tone it will be like a really dark vampy color, but for people with medium to deeper skin tone it will be just perfect. So if you are looking for a good vampy kind of a lipstick that is really long lasting, then totally give it a shot. I love the formula of these lipsticks. They are not at all drying on your lips and they are very long lasting, and you need to use an oil based makeup remover to remove it from your lips, otherwise it's gonna stain. I'm not kidding. I love the formula and this shade is everything, and I can see myself using this particular color during this fall a lot. Next I have 2 high-end lipsticks. Those are going to be really great during this fall. And first I have here this Anastasia Bullet Matte Lipstick in the shade Rum Punch. I have talked about these lipsticks in my channel like 1,000 times. I am again raving about this particular lipstick. The color is to die for. It is like a perfect nude shade for people with medium to deeper skin tone, but for lighter skin tone it is going to be a bit darker, which is I think actually great for this fall. And this is like not too vampy, not too dark, and it is I think something in between, and it has a nice amount of brown, nice amount of pink in it. It is just a perfect lipstick during this fall, and also it does not dry out your lips, and it is very long lasting. So invest in this lipstick. These lipsticks, the formula is really great and the color is perfect for this fall and winter. My next recommendation for this fall is this Tarte Lip Paint Quick Dry Lip Paint in the shade Viving. This is again a great color for this fall, and surprisingly the Maybelline one and this one, they are spot on. So this one retails for like 18 bucks and the Maybelline one is around 7 or 8 bucks. So this one is a great dupe. These two. The Maybelline one is a great dupe for this Tarte lipstick. So the Maybelline one is a bit hydrating and the Tarte one is a bit on the drying side, but it is not like too dry like the Colourpop Ultimate lipstick. It is very comfortable, very long lasting, and it is a perfect shade during this fall. So if you are looking for a good fall lipstick, definitely give it a shot. This lipstick is so stunning and it will suit every single skin tone. This is going to be your best friend during this fall. So this is my final recommendation for a fall lipstick. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.